Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. By special request, we are making a sausage gravy today. When I saw the request, I said, yes, ma'am, I will be making a sausage gravy recipe video for you, for me, for the whole world. We're gonna start with half a pound of sausage, and we're just gonna put that right over into the skillet. What I love about this recipe is that it's all right here. We don't have to do a whole bunch of running around. We stay in one pot and we'll be done in just a couple minutes. We're going to keep stirring this in the pan and chop as we go. I have the temperature set to medium-high. Make sure that you get in there and chop those larger chunks up as well. Once you see that all the sausage is cooked, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And let's stir that around. And that flour is going to absorb all the oil. So when we pour the milk on, it's going to form a really lovely gravy. Okay, and we got 2 cups of milk. Pour that right in. And let's just stir that really slowly so we don't splash. At this point, I'm going to switch up and grab a whisk. Let's turn the heat down to low, just to a very slow simmer. Make sure you scrape at the bottom of the pan. There's quite a bit of fond there. And if your gravy is a little too thick for you, you can always add a little bit of water. But right now, we need to add some spices. Yes, we want this stuff to taste good. We're gonna add half a teaspoon of seasoned salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper, a 4th teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, and an 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Let's stir this up. Oh, that's gonna feel good on those biscuits. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. And we just made sausage gravy. How easy, right? And here's the moment we've all been waiting for. We have a wonderful, fresh baked biscuit, and we're gonna pour on some of this wonderful sausage gravy. And because it's you, I'm gonna throw a little garnish on there. There we go. And let's have a taste. This is what a good breakfast is made of. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.